Hey everyone! What's the most impressive dish you've made in a microwave? Here's a super simple and creative recipe for bulgogi rice bowls. Let's get started. First, we'll make the sauce. Mix together 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good stir. For the toppings, we'll use onions, green onions, and enoki mushrooms. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Place the chopped vegetables in a bowl as the base, and layer thinly sliced beef on top. Pour the sauce over everything, cover with plastic wrap, and poke a few holes in it. Microwave it for 5 minutes. Spoon the cooked bulgogi onto a bowl of rice, and you're done. It's so simple, but it tastes like something you'd order at a restaurant. If you're not much of a cook, this recipe is perfect for you. I promise you'll understand once you try it. Have a quick and delicious meal with SimpleKmeal today.